I've got a trick for you today. You'll notice in the summer you don't get many fruit. When the temperatures are hot and it's above 90 degrees, there's a good chance your tomato plant just can't have fruit pollinated. Today we're going to use a toothbrush, and you just go to the blooms and buzz them. The plants are self-fertile. You just have to move the pollen around. That's what your bees are usually doing for you. And then it's going to blur. You don't have to get each individual one. Just put it on the stem and make them all vibrate at one time, and you will get fruit. You can do this probably every other day and run through all the blooms every other day, and you'll end up with plants loaded full of fruit.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.